Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie G, and if you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? I was sent this really pretty highlighted wig by Hurela, and this is how it came out of the box. I went ahead and bleached the knots before we started on the install, and this is what it looks like so far. I lightly plucked, but I didn't do too much, and I'm just starting off by trimming the lace a bit so that I can see better because yeah, your girl was blind behind all that lace. And now I'm using some manicure scissors to cut like a jagged line across where I want the hairline to be. My hairline is a bit higher in the middle, so I parted some hair off and trimmed a bit of that hair off. And I just cleaned up the lace a bit with some tweezers before we went ahead and installed the wig. I'm using the Eben Active Extreme Hold Lace Spray. It's the one in the black bottle. I love this stuff. If I can find an Amazon link, I'll put it down below. I put a light layer on my skin to lay the wig on top, and then I apply another layer on top to kind of melt the edges of the lace into the skin. I don't know how it works, but the sandwich just works. And to melt it a little bit better, I'm going in with my elastic band, and this just keeps everything tied down while we go ahead and start the styling process. I wanted to go for a deep side swoop so I can have that like highlight in the front, kind of cascading blonde streak moment. If you're following me, we're here, okay? I really wanted it to have like, I don't know, like a really sultry, lightly curled vibe. So I went ahead and did a deep side part, and I made sure to press out the hair in the roots all the way across the frontal. Make sure that you have a little hair going straight back so that your tracks are covered. You do not want to have laid edges on your frontal and then your tracks be all out in the middle. Don't do it. Do not do it. So now that we have the basis of the style kind of done, I'm going to go in and part out some baby hairs. I tried to press them going forward, but baby, y'all know I didn't get nowhere near them roots. So yeah, I'll be scared. Taking my tweezers and kind of thinning out the baby hair just a bit. I've been really liking to keep my baby hair really natural and a little bit on the lower density side. So that just helps out a bit. I'm putting a little bit of foundation powder just to make sure that the lace matches my complexion because it's transparent lace. And then I'm using my flat iron to add a little bit of curl to the baby hair before we go ahead and trim it with the razor and lay it down with some gel. I could not find my edge control, so I went ahead and used the WYSIWYG defining gel, and it worked just fine. I wanted to leave some extra footage in here so you guys can see like how long it takes me to get my baby hair perfect. It is not a quick process, and every wig is different. You kind of just have to get a vibe for how it lays. So I put my elastic band back on to lay my baby hairs down while we go ahead and trim the hair a little bit. I'm using a razor comb just to clean up the ends a bit and make it look really polished. And then I'm also going in with the same razor comb and added some layers to the front and all around the back. I'm starting at about my chin because I wanted to have like some length to it. I'm not going for a short bang situation at all. I want it to be like, you know, some longer layers, but I'm making sure to take them all the way around my head, and this is going to add some body to my curls, which we are desperately going to need because who wants flat curls? No one. And the key to getting that layered look is to comb the hair up at a 45-degree angle and add in the layers from your shortest point all the way down to the end, kind of creating a 45-degree angle. It just works. It looks really, really good once you curl everything. I'm going in with my 1 1/4 inch curling iron. I think this one is by Conair. I love this curling iron. I've had it forever. My mom put me on. She has all the tips and tricks, and when she say to get something, I just go ahead and get it. So this is the curling iron that she's been using for her like feather wraps forever, and the curls just come out the perfect size. So this is the finished look. I hope that you ladies really enjoyed today's video. I kept it super simple. We didn't do a bald cap. Very beginner friendly, but also it's giving laid. I hope that you guys loved today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, babes.